Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python backend development. First, you'll need a solid grasp of Python fundamentals, including data types, control flow, and object-oriented programming. Then, dive into a popular web framework like Django or Flask, which will be your primary tool for building web applications. You'll also need to understand how to interact with databases, a crucial skill for any backend developer. Finally, learn about designing and implementing robust APIs to connect your backend with front-end applications. Before tackling backend specifics, ensure your Python foundation is rock solid. This means understanding core concepts like variables, data types, and control flow, which are the building blocks of any program. You should also be comfortable with functions, modules, and object-oriented programming principles. Dedicate at least 100 hours to practicing these basics through small projects and coding exercises. A strong foundation here will make learning frameworks much smoother and more enjoyable. Once you have a good grasp of Python, it's time to dive into web frameworks. Django is a full-featured option, while Flask offers more flexibility for smaller projects. Simultaneously, learn about databases. PostgreSQL and MySQL are excellent choices. You'll use an object relational mapper, or ORM, to interact with your database using Python code, avoiding raw SQL for many tasks. Aim to build at least 2 complete projects using your chosen framework and database. The final crucial step is learning API development and deployment. You'll design RESTful APIs, which allow your backend to communicate with front-end applications. Security is paramount, so understand authentication and authorization methods. For deployment, containerization with Docker is a popular choice, simplifying environment management. Finally, explore cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure to host your applications, making them accessible to users worldwide. This completes your journey to becoming a proficient Python backend developer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.